there, welcome back to AI Code King. Do you remember those old times when people used to read books, articles, and then when anyone asked them anything, they used to quote some books and flex their brain muscles? Well, I wasn't one of them. So, when AI came, I was like, who's going to read those books when I have AI? So, you see where I'm going with this? I'm going to tell you about a new LLM that can summarize any book, document, transcript for you, and that too within seconds. So, I want to introduce CommandR Plus by Cohere. I'll be telling you everything about it and how to use it for free. According to their blog post, CommandR Plus is a RAG model. If you don't know what a RAG is, then let me tell you that RAG means Retrieval Augmented Generation. This allows users or businesses to add in their documents, databases, and apply the model over that data. For example, if you give it a document, it can summarize it and tell you about that document. If you add a database to it, it can summarize that database, and you can extract as much data from it as you want. It has been trained with 10 key languages, and it can generate responses in all the 10 key languages. It can also be integrated with multiple other tools to facilitate your workflow. This model is an improved version of the model CommandR by the same company. It also features a 128K context window, which means you can give it a document with 300 pages, and it can even summarize that. It's pretty cool. Now, let's try out their demo. You can click this link on their blog post. Then you will be asked to sign up. You can do that, and you will see this page. Click on Try CommandR Plus. Next, you'll see multiple examples of how you can use it. Let's try to summarize a document. I'll feed it a research paper about Mora, and let's see if it can summarize it. It takes some time and tells us everything about the research paper accurately. You can ask it more questions if you want about the document. It will also highlight some text when you hover over it. It will show the citation of the content from the original document. To keep things interesting, I asked it to create a snake game in Python. It wasn't able to do it. Then I turned on web searching, and it was able to get it created. The code worked well. There were no problems. After turning the web search on, I also asked it how to install OpenDevin, and it gave very correct steps to get it installed. Pretty amazing. It's available for free right now. You can go ahead and use it. Let me know if you like it in the comments. Also, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.